Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pamela Musoni, continuing sharing this journey of relocating to Ireland with everyone. To my new subscribers, welcome. To all those who haven't subscribed, please like, share, please subscribe. To my regular deglers, thank you for coming back. I'm just gonna do a quick one today just on the benefits you can get when you relocate to Ireland, the tax credits you can claim. I think this will help or go a long way for some people like it has done for me, child. Anyway, the first one that is trending at the moment is the rent tax. So because of the increased cost of living in Ireland, they've come up with ways of just helping um helping us rather. So you can now claim your tax credit for 2022 and for 2023. I claimed mine, which is why I have a drink today, because I can afford it. Anyway, so the rent tax credit fee is claimable for 2022 and for 2023, and it's pegged at 500. And if you are married, you can claim 500 and your partner can claim 500, so you're getting 1,000 for your household, which is a big relief and which is a big help, you guys, because we all know rentals are very costly here, and it's a big cushion, or anything is better than nothing, really. So yeah, that's done. What I'll do is I'll put a screenshot of how to claim it for those who are in Ireland already and haven't claimed theirs. I'll put a screenshot for you of how to claim it at the end of this video, and I'll also put links in the description box of the credits that you of where you can get the information of all the credits that you can claim. Here I'm just going to talk about the common ones, or the ones I've seen around me, but there are so many, guys. There are so many benefits you can claim. I'll even go back to say, when I had COVID, I claimed my COVID illness benefit and I got €350 for that. So as long as you're employed and then you have to go off work, you are actually paid something for that. So if you get sick, or if you have your partner or someone who you're staying with that you're taking care of, as a carer or whatever, you can also claim. So I'm not going to talk about all of them, like I said, but the main ones. So the first one I've mentioned is the rent tax. Now we move on to the employee tax credit. So employee tax credit was formerly known as the payee tax credit, and in 2020 up to 2022 it was 1.7, and from this year it's 1.775. So you can also claim this if you're jointly assessed. Like for example, with me, I'm married, me and my partner are jointly assessed for tax. We can both claim it. So he gets 1.775, I get 1.775. This means we're paying less tax basically throughout the year. And then another thing, the tax that we pay depends on our income. So it is deducted by the employer on behalf of the Revenue Commission. So what happens at the end of every year, you do your tax returns, like in January, you do your tax returns and they check if they've claimed the proper figures from you. If there's anywhere where they've underclaimed or overclaimed, they rectify it. So in most cases, you find people saying, oh, I got my tax back. You get something back. So because, like for me, when I came, I was registered as a single person. When my husband joined me, we became like, it's as if my civil status changed to married, meaning that we're now jointly assessed. So that money that we're both entitled to, we're given back. Others, it also depends on how long you've been married. I know others have gotten as high as 3,400, 3,500 euros back. I got 2,000 euros back. My husband also got about 1.7, I don't remember, 1,000 something euro back, which will help, guys, towards, beginning of the year. No one has money. It helps you, it cushions you, whether it's your savings or it's towards your bills or whatever, but it's money that's really worth claiming. If there is something that you're entitled to, it's better you get it back. So then another important benefit that everyone looks forward to, or that I think is a good extra, is the child benefit. So if you have a child who's up to the age of 16 or under the age of 16, you're entitled to claim this money, and it's €140 per month. And then last year also, because of the issue of the cost of living going up, a cushion was given where they did a once-off payment. I don't remember if it was November or December, but sometime towards the end of last year. And then now they're going to do another one in June to cushion again because of the increase in cost of living. It's going to be a once-off payment, €100 again. So if you've got 2 kids, 3 kids, it varies. If you've got 2 kids, you get 280. If you've got 3 kids, you get 420. It varies on how many kids you have, up to 1,220 for 8 children, of which one thing I've noticed in Ireland, a lot of people do have 6 or 5 kids or 4 kids. Like a lot of people have lots of children, so they get let's say if they have 8 kids, they get about 1,120 euro. Then other than that, we've got the maternity benefit. So once you're like pregnant and you are preparing to go to your maternity leave, make sure that you claim your maternity leave benefit. I think it's 6 weeks before, and it's about 260 euro that you claim. But I'm not, the figures, guys, I'm not really sure about, because I haven't been pregnant in Ireland, so I haven't had a child, so I wouldn't know the exact figures. But like I said, I'll put links where you can check all these benefits and read and see what you're entitled to. And then there's also the single parent benefit. So the ones, like I said, that I'm highlighting are the ones that I think are important, or the ones that I know affect people around me or are more common. So the single parent child care benefit, you're basically getting 1,650 tax credit every year, and you're also getting your tax band should be added on by 4,000, meaning that you're paying less tax. So if you're a single parent, don't hesitate, you're entitled to. One thing I've noticed is once we relocate here, because we didn't have these benefits back home, we don't know, and we leave it for so long. But once you actually claim, the good thing about the system here, it's so good in the sense that for the period that you've been in Ireland, they'll repay you. So like me, I haven't claimed my child benefit yet, but I know once I claim it, it's going to come back, like it's going to be back paid actually. So those are this is a short one really. Those are the benefits you can claim: your rent tax, you're entitled to your employee tax credits. At the beginning of the year, you do your tax returns, and you get another, you get a tax certificate, and they tell you how much they'll pay you, that you've been underpaid or overpaid. And if they're paying you anything, they'll tell you that it will reflect in your account within 5 days or so. And yeah, other than that, another thing also, I know this is not really part of this, you won't find this information on the link that I'll put for this, but if you're a nurse, you're entitled, every year as we pay our NMBI registration fee, you're entitled to something back from that money. So you go to your tax system or your revenue page, and you amend your tax, where you then put in that you've paid your NMBI registration. It's extra money that you're paying, you paid 100 euro. They'll give you anything between 20 to 40 euro back every single year. It's something that you do at the beginning of the year. So I hope you're claiming all your tax benefits. It goes a long way, guys. Please like, please share, please subscribe.